Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain about aldol condensation. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe at the end. Aldehydes undergo a reversible self-addition in presence of dilute base to give condensation product. This product is called as aldol. This aldol consists of both an aldehyde and alcohol group. The name aldol indicates which consists of both an aldehyde group and alcohol group. For this word, the letter ALD is from aldehyde and OL from alcohol. For example, when two molecules of acetaldehyde undergoes condensation in presence of a base hydroxide ion, which gives a product that is aldol 3-hydroxybutanol. In this reaction, one molecule of acetaldehyde added to the carbonyl group of another molecule of acetaldehyde with a simultaneous cleavage of carbon hydrogen bond in alpha position. When mixture of two different aldehydes treated with a base, there is a possibility of formation of four different aldol products. These two different aldehydes must have an alpha hydrogen atom because aldol condensation takes place with the aldehydes having at least one alpha hydrogen atom. If there is no alpha hydrogen atom, that aldehydes cannot undergo aldol condensation reaction. Okay, when the mixture of two different aldehydes treated with a base, four different aldol products are formed. Among these four, two from condensation of the two aldehydes with like molecules and another two from condensation of two different aldehydes. When the condensation takes place between the two aldehydes with like molecules, simple aldol produced. When two different aldehydes undergoes aldol condensation in presence of a base produces crossed aldol. Ketones containing alpha hydrogen also undergo aldol condensation. It means not only aldehydes, ketones, if it contains alpha hydrogen atom, can also undergo aldol condensation, but comparatively a smaller extent than aldehydes. For example, two molecules of ketones, here acetone taken as an example, these two molecules of ketones in presence of a base undergoes condensation reaction gives 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone, which is an aldol consists of a keto group and alcohol group. Next, coming to cross aldol condensation. This should not be confused with crossed aldol. Crossed aldol formed when two different aldehydes undergoes condensation. Cross aldol takes place between aldehydes and ketones. It means between one aldehyde and one ketone, if the condensation takes place, that reaction is called as cross aldol condensation. For example, one molecule of acetaldehyde and one molecule of acetone, that is an aldehyde and ketone, undergoes condensation in presence of potassium cyanide, produces an aldol 4-hydroxy pentane 2-one. Next, let us see the mechanism of aldol condensation step by step. In step 1, base ionizes to form hydroxide ion which removes a proton from alpha carbon. For example, sodium hydroxide undergoes ionization, produces hydroxide ion. This hydroxide ion removes a proton from alpha carbon atom. As I told you already, alpha carbon atom is essential in aldehyde or ketone to undergo aldol condensation reaction, because here the hydroxide ion removes a proton from alpha carbon atom only. By this process, after removal of proton from alpha carbon, a negatively charged residue or carbanion is produced, which is given as structure 1 in the reaction. This mechanism is explained for the condensation reaction between two molecules of acetaldehyde. In step 1, one molecule of acetaldehyde involved. From this first molecule of acetaldehyde, hydroxide ion removes a proton and produces carbanion, structure 1. In step 2, electromeric effect operates on the second molecule of acetaldehyde and creates carbonium ion. In step 3, carbanion which is produced in step 1 attacks carbonium ion produced in step 2. By this attack, a nucleophile with a negative charge on oxygen atom produced, which is given as structure 3. In step 4, this structure 3, that is nucleophile, extracts hydrogen ion from water and hydroxide ion is regenerated. Regeneration of hydroxide ion in the sense, in step 1, hydroxide ion is used which removes a proton from alpha carbon atom. That hydroxide ion is regenerated at the end and gives aldol as a product which consists of both aldehyde group and alcohol group.